Okay, let's talk about the major difference between the Band 4 and Band 5. Why should you choose the Band 5 over the Band 4? So there are few differences. So first of all, it's the screen itself. The screen is larger, 20% larger than the Band 4. It's a 2.79-inch AMOLED color display. Now this is not bigger, it's just longer, so it's not going width wise both of them are same, but length wise it is a little longer. But if you want a bigger screen, then you'll have to go for the Redmi Band, which has a bigger screen width wise also. Now you have a magnetic charger instead of a cradle, so you just have to put this there. It's magnetic, it's actually pretty strong and does not come off that easily, and it charges the band fine. Now with this one, the previous one, you had to actually remove this from the strap, and that actually was a little bit of a issue because the band used to break, and then you had to keep on removing this again and again, so that was not a great deal. Now even though this is an improvement, but this is not as good as the Redmi one. So the Redmi Band actually has a charging port at the bottom itself, so you do not have to carry a cradle with this. So you, even though this is an improvement, you still have to carry a cradle with the Band 5. Now you have women's health tracking option built into it, which is not there on the Band 5. We'll be talking about that in a later video. Then you have stress tracking. So this actually tracks the stress level you are in, and then suggests you some exercises and suggests you to calm down and all that thing. Then you have Pi. So Pi is basically a personal physiology activity indicator. Now it suggests activities to do that may improve your health score. So it calculates everything from the data you've given and looking at your day-to-day activity. How much are you walking, how much are you sitting, how idle are you, and all those things, and then it will calculate and give you a score, and it will give you some exercises to do. Now this band actually has more exercise options. So in the Band 4 you had just 6 exercise options. In the Band 5 you have 11 of them. So even though you will not end up using all of them, at least I am not going to end up using it, like outdoor, treadmill, cycling, all these are there on the Band 5. But indoor cycling, ellipticals, rowing, yoga, jump rope, that's not there on the Band 4. Rest everything is there on the Band 4 also. Now the Band 5 actually has a better PPG biosensor for heart rate monitoring. Now it's supposed to be better than the Band 4, but we'll get to know that after we use it for some time. Now then you have breath exercise. So this particular option is only available on premium devices. So that, like my Apple Watch, my Fitbit Versa, all of them have that option, but this is the first time they've actually introduced this breathing exercise into a band. Now the last thing that they've improved is the camera control. So now you can actually take pictures from your camera and use the band as the remote, so you can trigger the shutter from here. So those are the extra options that you can get if you buy the Band 5. Rest everything is the same as the Band 4. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.